Hello, my dear friends. This is Tamim Mahdi. Welcome back to our next lesson. Today, I'm going to discuss on solving linear equations. So, by end of this class, we will be able to define a linear equation and solve one variable linear equations using algebraic techniques and apply the concepts to real life problems. So, as a prerequisite knowledge or prerequisite skill, we have to know the operations of integers, and as a introduction, what number should replace x to make this statement. So in a state of x, which number we have to replace in this statement? 3x plus 2 is equal to 5, to the both side of this statement to be true. So let's begin from the definition of linear equation. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. And we show the linear equations like ax plus b is equal to c. So in this equations, like as we have ax plus b, ax plus b is equal to c. Here a and b are constants and x is a variable. So each equation has two sides, left side and right side. So this is the left hand side of this equation, and this side is we call the right hand side of this equation. So let's go ahead to how we can solve these equations. So to become easy to this topic, just I considered this one under several subtitles. The first one is solving one-step equations. One-step equations looks like ax is equal to b. To solve these types of equations, just we divide the both sides by a. A is the coefficients of x. So let's do some examples over here. So we said one step of equations generally it has this form, ax is equal to b. So to solve this, just we divide the both sides by a. So we will get from here ax by a is equal to b by a, right? So from here we can write x is equal to this a, cancel by this a, and the left side we have b by a. This is the answer of this equation. So here are some examples, and let's do this. So we have, let's begin from the easy one. For example, we have 2x, it's equal to 4. How we do? So you divide the both sides of this equation by a. You know a is equal to 2. So we can write both sides divided by 2. 2x by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. So from here we can write x is equal to 2, right? This is the solution of this equation. Or we can solve these two other examples over here. The a is equal to 3x is equal to minus 12. So again, we divide both sides by uh, a. You know, a is equal to 3. So divide both sides by 3. We can write 3x is equal to 3x by 3. It's equal to minus 12 by 3. So from here, we can cancel this 3 by 3, and right side we get x, and the left side, you know, minus divided by negative divided by positive, it will be negative. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the solution of this equation is 4. And next examples we have uh, the B one. So B is equal, this equation is right, R by minus 2, it is equal to minus 7. So what we do, just to be easy, both sides we can multiply by the multiplicative inverse. You know, multiplicative inverse of a number is that, for example, uh, a by b is that multiplicative inverse of this number is b by a, opposite, right? So we can write here the minus 1 by 2r, that is equal to minus 7. Okay, then multiply the both sides by uh, by mm, by multiplicative inverse of a. So multiplicative inverse says minus 2. Then both sides we divide by minus 2. Whenever you divide minus 2 by minus 1 by 2, and the right side we get r, and the left side you will get positive 14, right? This is the solution of these types of equations. Just we can do like this, and you divide the both sides of this equation by a. So let's go ahead. Next, solve two steps equations. So to solve two steps equations, just we consider three steps. Let's read the steps here. Simplify both sides of these equations. If we need, just to simplify. How we simplify? By addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So second step, isolate the variable. So whenever if in both sides of the equation we have some variables and constants, what we do, just you try to make separate them, and generally we bring the variables on the left side and constants to the right. And three step, verify the solution by replacing h and the original equation. So to check our answer, just put the solution or the variable or the value of a variable as we get, you put in the original equations. Then if we get the both side of equation same, then our answer is true. So let's do some examples over here. The first example is we have three. The first one is we have 3x, it's equal to 2x positive 18. So what we do, see, we just isolated this equation. I try to bring the both side, the variables from the both side. I try to bring in the left. So we have 3x and 2x here. What we do, just we add the uh, identity inverse of minus identity inverse of 2x and both sides. So I can write minus, sorry, 2x minus 2x, it's equal to 2x minus 2x positive 18, right? So this two are after simplifying, 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and the right side we have only 18 because this minus 2x and positive 2x, we can cancel these two. So this is the answer of this equation. So whenever you put an state of x and the original equation 18, you will get the both sides equal to 54, right? 54. Yes, you put here and check. So let's go to the next one. The next example is, next example we have 5t minus 3, it is equal to 3t minus 5. So just you add the additive inverse of minus additive inverse of 3t and additive inverse of negative 3 on both sides, then we can make separate the variables and constants. So let's do it. You can write 5t minus 3t uh, minus 3 and uh, positive 5, positive 3, right? Positive 3. And the other side also we have 3t minus 5, and add these two here also, minus 3t and positive 3, positive 3, right? Yes, then you can simplify here. So 5t minus 3t, it will be 2t, and these two are we can cancel, and 3 my positive 3t and negative 3t cancel here, and the left side, right side, you will get minus 2. So now see here we have like one step of equations. So to solve one step of equations, just we divided the both sides of this equation by a. What is the value of a? It's 2. So from here you will get this 2t by minus t, it is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Um, Sorry, it's not 2, not negative 2, it is positive 2, right? Positive 2. Okay, so on the right side, left side, we get t, and the right side, we get minus 1. So this t is equal to minus 1. It is the this is the answer of this equation. So please you try for the these two others. Also, you solve the example 3 and the example 4. You try to solve them. If you have any questions, let me know and comment me. So thank you very much. It was our today discussion. And the next video, I try to give you some more techniques and solve some other types of linear equations.